Withdrawing money from DoorDash to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your Dasher account to access your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Tap on the Earnings tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section displays your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Look for the option to withdraw or transfer to bank. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, select the one you wish to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add your bank details. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is processed, which may take a few business days. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.